Hello everyone, I'm Selena. I'm from 3rd year CSC. This is my 6th experiment of database lab, in which I have to implement views, sequence and index on furniture company database. First I'll tell you about views. Views is a virtual table in which data from one or more tables are kept as a subset, and sequence is a number sequence, and index it is created in a table to find any data quickly and efficiently. So my first question in this is to create a view to display the customer name, order ID and quantity. So for that I've used the query create view, then view name, this is v1, as select customer name, comma, order ID, comma, ordered quantity from customer, comma, order line. Customer name belongs to customer table, and order ID and order quantity it belongs to order line table. And then my second question is create a view v2 to display the order ID, order date and the date of delivery. So for this also the same syntax, create view name as select order ID, comma, order date, comma, supplier date from ORD, this is my table, and suppliers. ORD, order ID and order date is from table ORD, and supplier date is from table suppliers. And then here I have to create a view. Third question, I have to create a view v3 with customer name, comma, order ID and order date from v1 and v2. So for that query is create view v3 as select v1 dot customer ID, since customer name since it belongs to v1, that is view v1, and then v1 order ID it belongs to view v1, and then v2 order date it belongs to view v2 from v1 and v2. This is the view name of the view. Then my fourth question is to insert a row from the above view in the view updatable. If yes, is the updatable reflected? So for this I have created materialized view separately. For that and then I have inserted the value here. So this query is create materialized view cust1, this is my view name, for update as select asterisk from customer, and then this is my materialized view cust1, and then to insert the value, insert into cust1, this is my materialized view name, then values, this is my values, and when I ran it got inserted here, and it doesn't here it is given that if it reflects the in the base table, it doesn't reflect into the base table, only in view table it is inserted. And then question 5, delete a row from the above view, and okay, for that same delete from cust1 where order customer ID is equals to 5, and then that the row which I inserted it is deleted, because that in condition I have given order ID is equals to 5. And sixth question is to create a bitmap index on the gender field of the supplier table. For that index syntax is create index, then index name, here it is gender1, on suppliers is this table name, in that the attribute is gender, the column name, and then index is created. My seventh question is to create a B3 index on the quantity attribute of the order line table and evaluate the performance. So for that I have created the index, create index, then index name QUA on order line, this is my table name, and ordered quantity, this is the column name. And then my eighth question is to create a sequence in the order ID of the order table. So for that, to create a sequence, the syntax is create sequence, and then the sequence name starts with 1000 and then incremented by 1. Max value will be 99,999. No cache, no cycle. And then this sequence I have inserted in order table, my ORD table. Insert into ORD values in order ID place. I have given in this sequence name dot next val and the data. And then when I inserted this, you can see here it is 1000, since the start value was 1000, and then the date, and then 3. So after this, whatever will insert in that, now it will be in the next order ID will be 1001, then 1002, like that. This was my sixth experiment. Thank you for watching.